is Karen. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make a fall garland. In this video, I'm going to use felt fabric, different colors, yellow, white, brown, green, orange, red, scissors, paper, pencil, thread and needle. Draw some shapes like these ones. Take your fabric and cut. We are going to use this part red and this part white, this part orange and this part green, this part yellow, brown and green. Okay, here you need this part, so remove here and cut two of these here. Cut this part on green. Take your thread and needle and let's start with this one. Take two, put together and sew right round. Like this. Put this aside and sew this one. Okay, like that. So now take this part and put here and sew here. your green thread and let's sew this one and sew right round. This one is done. Put them aside and let's do this one. Sew here right round. Okay, this one is done. Put it here and let's work on this one. First, take this part and put here and sew here and here. Like that. So now take this part and this part and assemble. So here right round. Like that. So now take this part and sew it here. Alright, so I'm going to make another set. Okay, it's done now. So now let's assemble this. Take your twine and let's sew. Okay, it's done like that.